What we do here is go back.
Hello YouTube, my name is Farlan and welcome to another video of lifestyle and sneakers. Today we're going to do another unboxing. This time it's gonna be the Nike Kyrie 5 in the Patrick Star colorway. So stick around. Originally, this collaboration between Nickelodeon and Nike was released last August 10 of this year, and it was a massive hit, especially for basketball players. And it actually brings a little bit of nostalgia for those who grew up watching SpongeBob SquarePants. So anyway, they made a massive restock here in Singapore last weekend. I wasn't here yet when they restocked, but one of my friends got one and he lent me his pair so we can review it for you guys. So here you go. So let's open the box. So there you go. Let's look at the details. At first look, the first thing that will really pop out is the colorway. So there's a big contrast between the bright pink upper and the Volt midsole. So at far, it's gonna be like the color will really pop out. But if you look closer, there's gonna be a lot of details. This particular colorway or this pack, actually this pack is very good. This particular one has looks like a custom sneaker with a Patrick Star or SpongeBob theme. So I think Nike and Nickelodeon did a very good job on implementing the details of the shoe. So let's check them out. First, the upper is made out of the typical Kyrie 5 material. It's a synthetic mesh or canvas material, but it's printed with this graphic. It looks like bubbles in a pink water, so that's what it looks like. Then you have the overlay here on the toe area, and then you have the fly trap shroud here, Kyrie 5 signature. Then on top of that, there's a Nickelodeon logo in orange. Then on the tongue tab, there's a Kyrie logo. And if you look at the sides, there's a lateral and medial side. There's the Nike logo in the pink, very subtle. Then at the back, the heel cup, they have a Nike branding that also has the bubble effect. But the Nike branding font, it's actually in a Nickelodeon font. So that's a very good detail right there. Then if you look inside the insole, unfortunately I cannot remove the insole now, but there's a face of Patrick Star. Then behind the tongue, there's on the right shoe there's Patrick Star in red, and on the left shoe there's a wooden plank with a nail. So that's it for the upper. Now the other colorful part is the midsole. It's made out with this EVA foam in the Volt colorway. But if you look at the back area, there's just a Volt base Then they splattered something, I think paint or something, but it's very textured. And you won't really see it on camera, but if you have it on hand, it's really textured. It's a really good detail, a very good complement to the upper that has a very distinct pattern, and then you have it here. Now, you also have a zoom unit here, and then the outsole is your typical Kyrie outsole. You have the same traction pattern with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like leaf-like or eye-like traction pattern. Then there's going to be a lot of details on this outsole as well. So on the left shoe, on the front part, you have humble. On the medial side, there's some text here. So on the forefoot area, it's the Azuri 11, 23, 15. And on the heel area, there's engineered to the exact specifications of Kyrie Irving. Now, when you look at the bottom, you have the Kyrie logo here, established 1992. Then there's the eye. On the right shoe, you have the exact same thing, but in front you have hungry. On the medial side, it's Elizabeth 8, 13, 6 to 7. Then the exact same text on the heel area. Then Kyrie logo, same traction pattern. So that's it for the details. In my opinion, Nike and Nickelodeon did a very good job on this pack. Just seeing one of the sneaker in this pack, I'm very impressed. It looks like a custom sneaker, and in terms of collaboration and team collaboration, I think this particular pack is the best one. Like Stranger Things, Marvel, etc. The Nickelodeon and Nike and Kyrie collaboration is the best. So the execution of the details are very good, and as you know, the Kyrie 5 is a good performance basketball sneaker. A lot of players wear them, and at $130 US, you can't beat this one. This one is like one of the best collaboration in terms of team collaboration and in terms of pricing. So I really recommend this particular pack. If you manage to get your own pairs, congratulations! You had a very good pickup. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, please follow us on all our social media accounts. We have Facebook, we have Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, TikTok. And remember, we have 2 giveaways. We're announcing the winners on Sunday, so please check the mechanics down below. Again, my name is Froilan. Until next time.